In this video, I'm going to teach you what Halloween and newborn lighting have in common. So you might be wondering, what the heck does Halloween have to do with lighting for lifestyle newborn sessions? Well, let me tell you. This is the #1 lighting mistake that I see newer lifestyle newborn and studio newborn photographers make. First, I'm going to give you a little backstory. You know how when we think about really spooky stuff like telling scary stories around a campfire, someone will hold a flashlight up under their face right here to make it like a super creepy vibe? Whoa! Scary, right? There is a reason that it's super creepy to look at someone's face lit from their chin and going up. That reason is because our brains are actually not wired to process lighting coming from that direction. It's like a really creepy way to look at someone when they have shadows in creepy places, right? When I put a light source right here, ooh, that's even creepier. When I put a light source right here at my chin, maybe if I can, when I put a light source right here, I'm getting shadows in all of the wrong places, right? Because what happens with light? Anything on the opposite side of a light source is gonna have a shadow. So by putting a light source at my chin, I'm getting light underneath my nose and it's all dark and shadowy here. I'm getting like weird light up here on my eyebrows and some funky shadows under my eyes. It's just like not attractive to look at anyone who's been lit this way with lighting. The reason this is tricky with newborns is because we're always laying them in a parent's arm, right? So let's pretend my creepy flashlight is now a baby and I'm gonna lay it in a parent's arms. What I see photographers do is actually put that light source, right? A window or a studio light or something like that. They'll put baby's bum right where the light source is. So what happens? Let's think about laying a baby. Let's say this is my window right here, right? If I lay a baby in their parents' arms and I turn their face this way, away from light, do you see what's happening here? I have light coming from their chin. This is creepy ghost lighting. We don't want that. What we actually want to do is turn their head towards the light source so that we have beautiful light cascading down, right? We want light opposite their nose on one side. We want a little bit of light or a little bit of shadow right here underneath their nose. We're not going to get that by turning their bum and turning their chin to be hit with light right here. Does that make sense? Aren't you like kind of jazzed about how cool it is to think about Halloween and newborn lighting and how you'll probably never do that again? I thought so. If you want more lighting tips and more lifestyle newborn photography, lighting, shooting, business tips, go ahead and hit subscribe. I can't wait to share more videos here on my channel soon.